Product of the day is contractor all risk insurance and direction all risk insurance. I repeat, contractors all risk insurance and direction all risk insurance. See, both of these are classes of engineering insurance, means product category of engineering insurance. Now, what is engineering? That has to be understood by all of you. Reason being, I think all of you can see the presentation. Is it visible to all of you? Oh, good. So, what is the engineering insurance? That is important to understand, because engineering insurance means this is one category of general insurance which is providing only the economic safeguard to the risks. But what kind of risk? Ongoing construction projects, installation projects, machines and equipment in project operations. These are the three specified classes for which the engineering policies are required. Means these are the routine activities in all the countries all the time. Ongoing construction projects will always be there, installation project will always be there, and the machines and equipment in project operations is a matter of continuity. Question is, why engineering policies are required? There is a wide range of engineering policies. Wide range means plenty of engineering policies are there. Purpose specific, risk specific. So this comprehensive insurance policies offers only the economic safeguard to especially three things: ongoing construction projects, installation projects, and machines and equipment. But in addition, in engineering you will find creations, designing, constructions and buildings. Means all kind of creativity you will find in offices, in buildings, in industries, and every kind of project. Even in the construction only, you will find multi-purpose designing. So creation, designing, constructions and buildings, these are always there, and with them the increased chances of accidents and perils are there. If you are constructing a 10-floor building, simple plain design, the possibility of risk is lesser. But if you are giving a different design, designing it in a lotus shape, in a player shape, so when you are shaping it or designing it, the chances of accidents and perils increases. So the engineering policies cater to different forms of uncertainties that are associated with on-site constructions, including plant and machinery. Not only in construction, not only in erection, but in operation also, engineering policies are required. Now, why CAR? Don't get confused with car insurance. This is CAR means contractors all risk insurance. The object of buying or selling the CAR policy is altogether different. Why it is so? See, in current scenario, India is among the fastest growing economies in the world. This is on record. India is among the fastest growing economies in the world, with an upbeat outlook towards rapid infrastructural development. Now, this rapid infrastructural development refers to many things. Because developing infra or developing infrastructure includes a lot of things. And in any economy of any country where the infrastructural development is taking place, that is bound to grow. And the more infrastructural developments are there, the economy will grow faster. What does this infrastructural development includes? Say for example, railways, industrial units, housing facilities, dams, flyovers, power plants, and other such construction projects. So wherever in any country these kind of projects are going on, constructed, created, erected, there would be risk of accidents and perils. But the economy must be growing or rising. Because the way, say for example in India, the 5,000 square meter road is developed by the Ministry of Transports. So that road development only is not the one purpose. This is developing lot many things parallelly. So this is called infrastructural development because a lot of things are developed parallelly. So whenever there is a construction or erection of industrial units, housing facilities, dams, flyovers, power plants, means the economy is rising and infrastructural developments are taking place. But certainly with the rise in these infrastructural projects, there would be rise in the material risk also. Risk related to the projects, risk related to the infrastructure developments, because complete projects can be demolished by the natural calamities, by the man-made hazards, by the accidents, by the tragedies like fire. So this all things are possible because the possibility of damage to the construction material, machineries, or the constructed portion due to environmental or man-made hazards can lead to substantial losses for the contractors. Basically, when we say CR, means contractors or risks. So basically this policy is bought by the contractors. Why? Because the central government, the state government, big corporates, whenever they are developing any infrastructure, they are giving the contracts. They are inviting the tenders. So when the tenders are open, some agency, some firm, some individual contractors are taking those projects and they are developing it. So the financiers are the owners, the principals, the governments. They are only financing, they are providing the fundings. But who is creating, who is developing, who is erecting, who is constructing? They are normally the contractors or certain departments engaged in productions and constructions. Say for example, bridge departments or Nagar Nigams or public works departments or municipal corporations. There are also departments which are related to the constructions and developments. So either the government bodies are doing it, or the agencies or firms are doing it, or the contractors are doing it. But at most of the time you will find contractors are developing these kind of projects. Now question is, what are the types of engineering policies? We will find two kinds of policies are there in the market. One are annual, second are long-term or project insurance. They are all part of the engineering insurance. So when we say annual, that means policy issued for 12 years maximum. And on expiry of the policy date, the policy is renewed for further 1 year or for the shorter term as desired by the insured, but not for the longer term. So annual policy means policy issued for 12 months and on expiry it is renewed. This could be CPM means contractor plant and machinery, EEI means electronic equipment insurance, MBD machinery breakdown insurance, BPP boiler and pressure plant insurance. They are all annual policies, but they are given at the stage when the projects are operational. Means they are constructed, they are erected, they are tested and they are operated. So when they are operating, these policies are required. CPM, EI, MBD, BPB. At that stage, these policies are required. Another policy are long-term policies of project insurance. These are contractors or risk and erection or risk. Now the basic difference between the annual policy and long-term policy is annual policy can be renewed on the expiry date. Long-term policy cannot be renewed. This is extended when the policy is expired. But this is extended for the period required by the contractor to complete the project. So this is as per the projected completion of the project. Secondly, annual policies can be renewed with the revised terms and conditions. Long-term policies or project policies are renewed or extended, not renewed, extended on the same terms and conditions. So the nature of the policy is different, period of the policy is different, purpose of the policy is different. Because annual policies will be given at the time of operation when the plant or project is operating. Long-term policies or project policies will be given at the time when the project is commenced, at the commencement of the project. Commencement means it is to be constructed, it is to be started, it is to be erected. So the basic difference is there. So these type of engineering policies are divided only in two sections, that is annual policy and long-term policy. But